Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Today, I want to reflect on Karen Taylor's TED Talk titled Belonging, a critical piece of diversity, equity, and inclusion. In her talk, Taylor emphasizes that while diversity, equity, and inclusions are crucial, belonging is the element that truly allows individuals to feel seen, valued, and empowered. In the context of DEI, belonging means feeling fully accepted for who you are, without needing to change or conform. It's about being recognized as a unique individual and being able to contribute authentically. While diversity focuses on representation, equity ensures fair treatment, and inclusion provides access and participation. Belonging is the emotional experience that makes all those efforts meaningful. Without belonging, DEI initiatives may fall short because people may be present but still feel disconnected or undervalued. Um, Personally, I remember one time a group project where my ideas were dismissed repeatedly, even though I was technically part of the team. I felt invisible and disconnected. That experience taught me how exclusion can impact confidence and engagement. On the other hand, when I later joined a club where my contributions were recognized and celebrated, I felt energized, motivated, and fully part of the group. That's the power of belonging. Taylor suggests that leaders can foster belonging by actively listening, recognizing contributions, encouraging collaboration, and creating spaces where people feel safe to share perspectives. Mentorship programs, diverse teams with equitable opportunities, and acknowledging both individual and cultural identities are practical ways that organizations can promote belonging. A step I can take personally is to ensure that everyone in my classroom or workplace has a voice. I plan to actively invite quieter peers to share ideas and validate their contributions, helping create a culture where everyone feels they belong. In conclusion, belonging is the heart of DEI. It transforms representation into connection, fairness into engagement, and inclusion into empowerment. By understanding and practicing belonging, we can create communities and workplace where everyone thrives. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for listening.